Hey Courtney, it's Tom at Wise Marine. In one of your videos, you mentioned something that was on my mind, and that is to have the right-hand door on the Mauser Cab for my 2025R operate with the gas cylinder, just like the left side. The parts I sourced from the dealer using John Deere's online parts list and schematics. We got a hinge kit, which is the bar. We've got the bracket, what they call a bracket, which is the small fitting to connect the gas cylinder to the stud on the bar. And we have the gas cylinder itself, all parts made in Austria. I paid $350 for those parts. I got it installed in about an hour and a half, 2 hours, soup to nuts. A couple of little things about the process. The bolts on the door itself are metric. You need a 1/4-inch shoulder washer to receive the end of the gas cylinder, and this is actually from an overhead light fixture to serve as a spacer so that the gas cylinder doesn't ride up and down. The reason that they don't put this standard is that you have to cut down the control, the hydraulic control, 2 inches. Just chop 2 inches off and use a 14mm bit into the Bakelite handle, and you got a press fit of the shaft for the hydraulic control. It's not going to go anywhere. So solve that little problem, and I'm going to be very happy because we do a lot of work outside, standing on this side of the tractor looking forward and watching the controls from the outside of the tractor. I move boats all around, and we're raising shrink wrap up above boats this time of year. We're moving engines, we're lifting pallets, so we're operating the forks in the bucket outside the tractor frequently. So I share your pain, and I solved the problem, and it was an easy fix with